Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about Bachelor Buttons. You may also know them as Cornflower or Centaurea. They're such wonderful, gardeny blooms. And when you get them, many times they're just buds. If you take the time to remove some of that lower foliage, then give them a cut, they'll actually open out. They do amazing. If they are already open, taking the time to separate them, pulling them apart, getting the buds, like so, separating that, and cutting, those will open. Then the bloom. The problem is their stems are hollow, and many times they'll break. If you'll take a 22 gauge wire, yes, 22, and feed it down through the center into the stem. Don't let it come out. You've got to be real gentle. Go down through the center and then cut that. Then continue pushing it down in so that it disappears. It gives it just the support it needs so that when you cut it, it drinks and hydrates and stands upright for designing. Now you know how the pros do it.